I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: an iPhone that supports eSIM and an active Airtel line. Once done, sign into your Apple ID and update iOS so the eSIM flow is available. Make sure you have ID and Airtel account details for quick verification. This speeds activation. Now open Airtel Thanks app or contact Airtel Support Chat to request an eSIM QR. Start the request inside the app, select eSIM Swap or New eSIM, and choose the number to convert. Proceed when the app asks for verification. After you request the eSIM, Airtel will prompt for verification. Follow that flow and enter OTP immediately. OTP windows expire fast. If they require Aadhaar or photo ID, upload clear images. Once verified, Airtel will generate a QR code and send it via the app or email. Download or screenshot the QR code. Do not share it. If it arrives in email, open it on the iPhone you're switching to. Once visible, go to Settings. Cellular, add cellular plan to scan the QR. Scan the QR inside Settings by choosing Add Cellular Plan. Position the QR inside the camera frame and wait for confirmation. Once the plan imports, label it Primary, Secondary, or Work, then set default voice and data preferences and enable Wi-Fi calling if needed. If the plan shows pending, restart the phone and wait up to 15 minutes. Activation often needs time. If things go wrong, retry scanning, request a new QR from Airtel, and as a fallback, reset network settings or contact Airtel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.